Hey everyone, we're going to go through how you create writable assignments right inside Canvas and how students will access those writable assignments from Canvas, and finally how your grades from Writable will go to your Canvas gradebook. So one helpful hint before you get started in Canvas, which we will do, it's helpful to at least log into Writable first and get an assignment that you like the look of at the top of your My Assignments list. So if you can go through Explore, find something that we have out of our library or create your own assignment, whatever you want to do, and just make sure that it's copied and ready sitting in your My Assignments list. That will save you some time because what we're going to do from Canvas is then link to one of these assignments in Writable. So let's get started. So first we'll start in Canvas, and you see here I'm in courses and I'm in my spring 2021 course. And to make an assignment and pull in a roster, I'm going to actually just take one action. In Canvas, if I make an assignment, it's going to pull the roster in too. So let's go ahead and do plus assignment, and let's call it climate change essay. I can add a little description here if I want to. I can set my number of points. This is kind of where it's going to go, in my gradebook settings. I can choose to display points, as percentage or points. One thing I love about Canvas is you can just decide if this is more of a practice assignment and you don't want it to count towards the grade. And so then finally, you are going to get down to, this is the most important step. So you're going to choose external tool, and then you're going to click find. And I always like to load in a new tab. But when you click find, you're actually looking for Writable. So once your district admin in Canvas has installed Writable, you'll see Writable in your list of tools. And you'll open it up. And remember that My Assignments list that we just saw, that's actually just pulling up inside of Canvas. So this is asking me, what assignment in Writable do I want to pair with an assignment in Canvas? So I'm going to go ahead and click my climate change paragraph. And then I'm going to select my feedback options here and click select assignment. So that's really all I have to do. That actually has created a deep link into that assignment. And then I can set my due date if I want to. Let's say that I make it due at the end of the month, and I would click save and publish, or just save if I want to keep working on it later. So that's how I make an assignment in Canvas, and we will look at how that looks in Writable in just a minute. So now we're in a student account inside Canvas, and I can see that that assignment I just made as a teacher, students can access all of their assignments right from Canvas. And when they click on this one, it will ask them to load it in a new window. That just opens a deep link into Writable, where they can see their student dashboard and their goals. Finally, they can go in and they can begin writing and looking at their checklist in Writable. All right, now I'm back in a teacher account, and I'm about to show, I can launch into this assignment from Canvas. It's a Writable assignment. And I can just see where students are at. So this will kind of show me the teacher dashboard in Writable. I do see that about 100% of the kids have submitted, so it's time to go start some grading. Let's see how this grade would travel from Writable into Canvas. So here the student's written a couple of paragraphs. I can highlight the text and I can mark it up with a color. So if I'm choosing green, that goes with the green in my rubric. You see how I use green, so that tied it to this rubric. With rubric match, we can actually let you mark up the text and match it with a rubric. And then I'm going to proceed to maybe use some stored comments and click submit. So when I click submit, I see here that I've graded the student at a 72%. And let's go see how that looks in my Canvas gradebook. All right, last but not least, here I am in my spring 2021 gradebook in Canvas, and I see that 72%, or it rounded it up in Writable, here at 71.88%, has been registered in my Canvas gradebook. So again, that's how Writable, you'll grade in Writable, and then the grade will travel to your Canvas gradebook.